dare touch me! Stand back! No!
Beng could have watched 3,956 Tico videos, but instead I spent the time making this video. Subscribe so I can stop watching but make more Tico videos.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights, paint the
Like the video and keep one Tico off the street. Tan woman makeup can faster or not? Oh my god! From this point onwards, there will be extremely explicit languages,
a fuck face, a fuck face, fuck face.
disturbing graphical scenes.
Are orgasms a sure bet when you're having anal sex?
Watch at your own risk. Let's just call Li Yanru Li Honey. Li Honey sounds so atas. Walao, never mind, let's just call him Li Tico. Li Tico complimented the woman saying her pretty. The woman said she did not take this as an expression of interest. Hiya. You don't know man got two heads. Little head is the master of the two heads. Litico call you pretty means he wants to up you. So they met up first time at SMU cafe. Litico sat beside her and poked the woman's rib. K&N watch too much teeny booper show, right? I poke you, you poke me. That's the children way of shokan. Wow! Is it me or Gina nowadays are such pushovers? He poke your ribs, just do nipple twist on him lah. The most effective way to do nipple twist, place the nipple between the nails of your index finger and your thumb, like an OK sign. Squeeze it so hard until you hear him scream in pain and squirm. Then you twist your hands to be like an inverted OK. Okay? There is also a Chinese kung fu called 一爪带爆一粒奶头. You see, the name is so sucky. Don't know why the woman after getting poked still agreed to meet Litico again the same night to study. What is this? You slap my left face, I tell you to slap my right face too? The reason she gave was so absurd. It's like saying you put KY jelly, then you realize it's super glue. Then when I ask you why you put super glue, you cannot open your mouth to answer me. Litico's advances on her can be broken down into 3 levels. Level 1, using his foot to put on her thigh, placing arms around her waist, hugging and kissing her. Level 2, which happened at 4 AM, Lee moves his hands down the woman's spine, tickled her waist before moving his hand under her singlet to touch her breast. That's it. When this video come out, nobody will want to watch Jack New's Argus Army movie liao. Level 3, outright fucking outrage of modesty, you fucking Litico. Litico exposed himself and placed his private part on her thigh while hugging her. He stood like that for a few minutes before pulling up his pants. I must say this guy is a noob. Do you know how idiotic and stupid this sounds? Subscribe to make Beng a happier Tico, making Tico videos and teach you how not to be a noob.
call me a noob.
Is that all? No. There is an ultimanium. This woman is fucking out of her mind.
Fuckface.
She can still go sleep on the floor with a jacket over her head. She got woken up by Litiko, who was straddling her and ultimately ejaculating on her face, neck and hair without asking for her consent. Litiko must have came within 3 seconds. We shall now call him the 3 seconds man. Not like Lao Beng can last 30 minutes non-stop action. Confirm he has premature ejaculation syndrome. Otherwise the woman sure got time to siam and scream for help. So why didn't she leave? She mentioned it was in the middle of the night and there was no more on transport and she didn't want to leave a bad impression. Fuck. Why would you worry about leaving a bad impression of a man who has premature ejaculation syndrome? And she wanted to save money, so she didn't grab back. 6 AM onwards got public transport, but she said she's too sleepy, so she went to take a nap at 6+. 6:05 nap. 6:10 Lee Tico straddled her, rubbed his wee-wee and ejaculated on her face, neck and hair. Yes, the time taken for him to ejaculate is shorter than the time I taken to finish this sentence. Stop! Doesn't mean carry on.
Yamete Kudasai.
No matter how it's
Yamete Kudasai.
sound like.
Yamete.
Now you must ask for consent and also record it at least on audio, not asking you to make sex tape. Woman got ultimate weapon, so powerful, even if your kuku jiao cannot stand, you will also kena charge. No recording means no evidence, so in future you want to have sex, you must ask the woman, can we show gun? Kimme, why gotta做愛會使無? I want to have sexual intercourse with you. Put my kuku in your vagina. Come on, 我要同你 wushu baby, okay?